Kadi 0364.
Hi everyone, so Cheryl here. So today we are going to do another review on a restaurant that is TRING, which is located in Polo. So I'll see you there.
So we are on our way. I'm so excited. This is like our vlog for real, no? Along with Cheryl and Beryl vlog. I am doing this so that you guys, you don't need to. Oh my god. Mungkin dah banyak segi untuk. Dengan laksan poihi, we will update you guys. Sebab buat how's the location, like how's the ambience, how's the surroundings, how are the drinks, how's the food. All that I will put in this video. Stay tuned. Kadi 0364. Kadi 0364 mini apa nama? Many telephones, old telephones.
A few moments later.
Guess what? I'm here for a collab and what happened? This is what we got for the first time. First round. Shit. I love prawn so much. Second round. Look at this girl. So we are done eating. So yes, it's very good. I will not be rating anymore because I am tired, but the food is very good, delicious, and it's just wow. Okay, bye, Beryl.
Yeah, I'm still searching for my phone.
Good.
Bawa phone, ano ba niya? Sa phone yang saya.
So one more thing, ang the basic vlogs nga. I will do some other things also maybe another time. Please do drop in the comments what kind of videos do you want to see.
Please
like, share, subscribe so that at least I can grow as a friend.
Go to the far at the end.
Okay, bye. Love you.